This is how to fold your Loco Motion scooter. So to release the folding mechanism, there are two safety features. The first one is this pin. You lift that up, which will allow the lever to come out. You'll notice the pole doesn't go anywhere. There's a second safety feature here. So if you press this down again, that will release the pole to come down. At the back of your handlebars, there is a hook, and that will line up with the hook on your deck. So this flicks up and you hook that in just like that. That will allow you to be able to carry your scooter. Fold it back up again, release the hook at the bottom, and make sure to put this back into your deck so it's nice and flat. And then lift the pole. You'll notice when you lift, this first clip will automatically click in, just like that, and then you fold that up again.